I just wanted to talk to you about a change in our bonnets. Our microfiber scrub bonnets have consistently looked like this all along, and now a new vendor has stepped in and they look like this. So before you get scared and freak out over, well, what happened to my bonnets, I just wanted to kind of run through a little bit of the variable here. Now, the new bonnet style actually has a lower nap to it, although the scrub feels a little bit more aggressive than the scrub that we had here, the scrub strip. Now, these were a little bit fluffier, but one of the situations that happened is that sometimes these would roll up underneath, especially orbital machines. This bonnet has a little bit more rigidity, so it's going to hold up a little bit better under an orbital machine and work out well for you. Now, in early tests with these bonnets, the new version, people have liked them. There haven't been any complaints, and I think you're going to find that you're going to get good rigidity so that they hold up laterally as you're scrubbing. So I just didn't want you to freak out when you saw them and wonder what's going on with the new bonnets. They should perform extremely well, at least similarly to what you saw here, and possibly even better.